Did you hear me knocking?
To remove me
Were
from
you
the
not
ring.
loud enough that is?
Streamlining communication.
Did you not before then?
In his email. No discussion, no explanation.
Before the loud
Just
knock?
gone from meetings I've been running for 8 years.
I had to do the loud knock.
A week later,
I
my
didn't
access to
hear
the Ford
it if
Quality
you
portal
didn't
was revoked.
until the loud
Weekly
knock. If you
client
knocked
calls
before then, I
disappeared
didn't
from my
hear you.
calendar. My production reports
Okay.
started getting edited for
Can you
clarity before
create this
they went
now?
to corporate.
I'll give you
Mason was systematically cutting me out of
200
my
Drio.
piece by
Okay.
piece. But here's what Mason never forgot.
Ching, ching,
I wasn't
ching,
just some
ching.
old-timer
Ching.
collecting a paycheck. Back
Thank
in
you.
2018,
You're welcome.
We'd had a major safety incident that could have killed 3 guys if I hadn't caught it during
Now
routine
that should
inspection.
be more useful against harder enemies.
Around 2 p.m. I was doing my
So we're
weekly
gonna
inspection of the
try it out.
main